are the mysoft women's chunky low heel. These came right out of the box looking classic, so sparkly and surprisingly sturdy. The black heel and the open toe combo immediately gives that cute, but you'll survive the whole event in me energy. So cute. 2.25 actually inch black heel. That's like the sweet spot. Tall enough to look dressy, low enough that you can walk, dance, mingle, and repeat without running out the door. But I like the latex cushion insole. Actually feels soft on your feet. You could kind of see it. Very, very nice. And the adjustable ankle strap locks you in without rubbing. And look at that glitter. Makes these an easy match for those holiday parties, date night, or really anything that requires looking put together without sacrificing comfort. Would I buy again? Absolutely. These mysoft heels are reliable, they're versatile, and they're surprisingly comfortable. Heels that you can grab when you need something cute and survivable. Sturdy, flattering, perfect for long events where you want style without suffering. So cute. Highly recommend. Oh, the sizing. This is an 8.5 wide. This is for my teen daughter. And I did size up a half size for her because her feet are wide. So, yeah, pretty true to size. Just went up, and that was purely my decision to do. But highly recommend these.